Tell me about yourself. I am. Oops, this is what we call a bad idea. Guys, your years of waiting, your dream, your rank, your placement, your future, your efforts, the sweat drops you shed, all this got you into that interview room. But what's the benefit? Even a question about yourself makes you sweat. You start to stutter. You even forget your name. At last, you lose. And for the rest of the time, you keep asking yourself, what the heck I did. Let us say one thing. Tell me something about yourself. It is often the first question you will face in any interview. Seems simple, seems insignificant. But remember that insignificance makes it such a difficult question to answer. But at the same time, it is also a perfect opportunity to make a first impression. Let's move on to the question. Tell me something about yourself. What happens if you are gonna answer like this? I am John. I was born in New Delhi, but my family moved to Mumbai when I was 16. I used to work in XYZ company. The financial difficulties I am facing in life brought me here. In addition, I am highly interested in football. I was a member of college football team. Besides football, I love cats. I had two Persian cats. One is Mac and the other is Cheese. But sadly, the youngest among them died last week. And that's all about me. What do you think? Put yourself in an interview panel. Are you gonna give John highest ranks? Are you gonna give John a job? Trust me, you will not. Why so? Let's see why John was not get selected. Here, John was giving way too much information. Sadly, interview panel don't want to hear about your financial liabilities and sufferings. Seems like unprepared. There is nothing memorable in John's response. The biggest mistake that you are gonna repeat, blindly repeating everything that is already in your application. Here John didn't give any reason to show the panel that he deserves higher rank than anyone else. He hadn't given any reason to hire him. We are not saying that your first answer can decide your fate, but for sure it sets the tone for your interview. What can we learn from John's blunders? How can we give a desirable response? Let's give it a try. Okay, let's have a look. Here we are giving you some sample answers useful for B-School interview, UPSC interview, and for a job interview. First one, B-School interview. Sure sir, I'm John. I belong to Mumbai. I have recently completed my degree with 90% marks. Sir, for me, MBA is not only an opportunity which can recruit me in a renowned company, which can make me able to start a business by my own, and which can place me a part of infinite corporate world. For me, the best part of being an MBA graduate is becoming a well-rounded individual. I roughly believe it will push me out of my comfort zones and make me a decision maker. That's why I am here. I want to expand my horizon in this MBA field. I am eager to utilize my hard work and time management skills to make my dreams come true. Sure sir, I am John. I am from Mumbai. Sir, I graduated with my degree in. Since then, I have been preparing for civil service. During my academic year, I have been involved in activities of National Service Scheme. We worked a lot to raise awareness among people about environment pollution and human rights campaigns. We had to face a lot of obstacles in our journey, but I always loved uncertainties and getting the job done. I am very eager to meet the challenges in my profession as well. Sir, I strongly believe complete sense of dedication can make everything possible, and that's why I am here without having a backup plan. Sure sir, I'm John. I'm from Mumbai. Having been born and brought up in India's commercial capital, I had a good understanding of the importance of work and the sense of dedication required in a profession. I completed my MBA with 90% marks. Sir, I am a hard worker with a proven record in my academics itself. I believe that if I placed here, it will be the great opportunity that opens up in front of me. I am sure that I can utilize all my efforts to achieve the target and growth the firm expects. I can assure that. And that's all about me. These examples are exclusively designed for freshers. If you are an experienced person, don't forget to mention your notable career achievements while answering. Take them as examples and create an answer by your own. You can make adequate changes according to your will and wish. Let me point out a few things you need to know before embarking on that venture. Here they are. Tell me about yourself. Whenever you face this question, remember one thing. Tell me about yourself isn't really about you. Have some worries. Let me ask you something. Why do they want to know about you? No need, right? They want to know how you can help them to make their goals reached. They just want to know how you will matter to them. From now, while answering this question, focus on the interests of interviewer. When it comes to a job application, let them know you are punctual, hardworking, and cooperative. When it comes to a civil service, let them know you are organized, empathetic, and capable. So always stick with their interests. When candidate starts to tell his whole life story, it goes 20 or 25 minutes. Guys, self-introduction is not the time for friendly chit-chat. You have to cover as much as areas possible. We don't know what's going to cope up with interviewers' interests. Prioritize the things and keep it brief. Don't repeat and make sure it takes 2 minutes or less. We might temporarily impress people by being fake, but we can permanently impact people by being real. It should be the principle that guide you. Maybe you will get higher rank or post by being fake. But fake things don't last long. So be genuine, honest, and be principled. Being genuine doesn't mean sharing the panel all the information about you. Never forget that you came to that chair with a goal. It's great to be yourself, but be the best self. Imagine that you are in an interview chair. You are supposed to inform them your strengths to make them realize that you are the best for this job. Be confident and seem precious. Rather than generalities, stick to specifics and be distinct from others. In short, present your achievements with concrete examples, like special projects you worked on, awards you won if any, promotions you got in your job, revenue you increased for the company, research papers you are involved in, and so on. Just by doing this, you will be well ahead of your competition. Everyone who attends interviews may be skeptical about what should be included in the answer to this question. Luckily, you came to the right place to learn all you need to know. Make sure you subscribe to HeyFam and hit the bell icon and be a part of our humble effort to make you all able to crack interviews. Back to our answer. Nothing else but 5 words are enough. What you are in person, in academics, and in profession. What brought you here? What are you great at? What you can offer them? And finally, what are you looking for? You can also structure your answer in a today, yesterday, future formula. That is, present your current status, then your previous state, and finally your upcoming days. A present, past, future technique. That's right, sometimes prepared answers seems robotic and boring, even though it is always better to prepare for everything. It will free you from fear. You will not tremble, you will not sweat, because you are going through a moment that you had calculated way before. You know how to deal with it. Therefore, you will be seen as confident and responsible. It will bring you brownie points. So memorize it, write it, practice it. It must cover your name, notable academic and professional achievements, talents, goals. Say it many times until be able to deliver it with confidence and get your interview off to be a great start. Now we are sure you will give the best answer to this question. But that's not enough. Make sure the decision of choosing you right in coming days as well. Another popular question you might have in every stress interview is, what you will do if you got rejected in this interview? How can you give an amazing answer to this question? Worried again? Wait 2 more days. We will talk about that in the coming videos. Be a part, be the best.